Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Excel tutorial how to add drop down list. So first we need to create four lists. I will click at these columns and you can type 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now I will click at these points. You can create the outside border, and if you want to add the drop down list, you can go to data and then click on data validation. The next will be show for the dialog box, and you can click on settings, change allows into a list, and then you can set the source. Okay, we set at the source. Click at these points to add. The next you can click OK. Now you can see we have this drop down list. You can click and you can choose like 4. We click against another 5, or you can set into 3. Okay, that's it for a basic Microsoft Excel tutorial how to add drop down list. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.